If you're getting a can't login issue in Pipedrive, yeah, that can stop everything you're trying to do. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix. First, double-check your email and password. Even a small typo or wrong email can cause a login failure. If you're not sure about your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. This is the fastest way to regain access. Next, make sure your internet is stable. If your connection drops, the login process might fail. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can block the login process. Try logging in using incognito mode or a different browser. Yeah, this helps rule out browser-related issues. Finally, check if there's a system issue with Pipedrive. Sometimes the platform itself may be temporarily down, and that's it. These steps should fix most can't log in issues. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.